नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं भदोही जिले की शिवम टीवी। इंडिया न्यूज आज की बात सूर्य प्रकाश पांडे के साथ।
नई दिल्ली नए सीटीएस राजा सुब्रमणि ने पदभार संभालने के बाद कहा, भारतीय सशस्त्र बल देश की सुरक्षा को मजबूत करने के लिए एकजुट होकर काम करेंगे। उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री के जय विजन ज्वाइंटनेस, आत्मनिर्भरता और नवाचार प्राथमिकता बताते हुए सैन्य आधुनिकीकरण, संगठनात्मक सुधार और स्वदेशी रक्षा प्रणालियों के विकास पर जोर दिया। अमित जायसवाल की खास रिपोर्ट दिल्ली से।
I am honored to assume charge as the Chief of Defence Staff. We are grateful to the nation for the trust reposed in the armed forces. We, the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Ministry of Defence, strategic institutions, and all stakeholders stand united as part of the whole of nation approach to strengthen India's security. We are committed to implement the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Jai, jointness, Atmanirbharta and innovation. Transformation of the armed forces and organizational reforms to enhance jointness, synergy and integration will be the primary focus. Atmanirbharta is a central pillar of our national security. We will accelerate the development, induction and integration of indigenous weapons in our armed forces. Innovation in thought and action will drive our capability development. Greater collaboration between the military, the industry, academia, startups and the research ecosystem will be the key enabler for modernization. Our armed forces have consistently demonstrated professionalism and operational decisiveness in safeguarding our national interests. We are committed to protect the sovereignty and territorial integrity of our country. I express my sincere gratitude to late General Bipin Rawat and General Anil Chauhan, my illustrious predecessors, for their exemplary leadership and contribution in this journey. We acknowledge the courage and professionalism of our soldiers, sailors and air warriors. Their training and welfare will be our foremost priority. We pay homage to our brave hearts whose valor, sacrifice and dedication to the nation continue to inspire us. We are committed to the welfare of our veterans and Veer Naris. I assure the citizens of India that the armed forces will continue to serve the nation with dedication, courage, honor and professionalism. Jai Hind.